immediacy of emotions of the game. Went on to talk about how physical, demanding, emotional, and turbulent this game is, and how Trevor is a consistent rock. Guys.
All right, thanks, Carlin. And it's official as Lewis starts up front for the Kings with Byfield and Fogle. Guentzel is there. The puck is centered by the Lightning, but knocked away by the Kings. Held in on the right side by Point. Down low, Kucherov sweeps it to the net. Deflects behind the goal. Guarded by Kings netminder Darcy Kemper. Here's Hedman a shot, and he scores! Victor Hedman let it fly from about 50 feet. I don't know if it was tipped, but the Lightning, a minute 10 into the game, take a 1-0 lead.
He's worked on a shot now. He's a veteran player. He's been around for so many years. It's his 16th season. Oh, yeah, it does. It goes from low to high. It might have been Mikey Anderson. You see, he gets his head up, and there's a couple of sticks there, probably the first one. So that's why it's so tricky there for the goaltender. Everything looks like it's going to be a pad save.
The goal coming just 1:10 in. Kings gain the line, work it to the right side. Shot, save Vasilevsky as Laferriere let it go from the top of the right circle. Lead pass onside. But a centering pass by Geekie broken up. Puck winds up to Chernak. His shot gloved down and held by Kemper.
Just make sure he doesn't get the room he wants.
Well, the Kings kill another penalty. 1-0 Tampa. Point and Guentzel assisting, and here comes Kempe to Kopitar, a shot, gloved down and held.
That's one thing they want to do. They want to get more possession off the draw.
Deneau, clean face-off win shot. Score! Mikey Anderson. That might have got tipped as well. But a clean face-off win, and the Kings have tied it.
Daryl, was that good enough?
I would say that works.
It was on the backhand of Philippe Deneau, and then quickly, I mean, as quick as possible, we'll get a good look from behind Vasilevsky. I don't think it hit. I mean, as quick as possible, we'll get a good look from behind Vasilevsky. I don't think it hit anything, as opposed to maybe we'll see. It just there was enough traffic. You see it slide through a couple of bodies.
Guentzel got hit hard into the corner by Gavrikov. Kings away with a puck. Look out, they turn it over, and a quick shot, saving tight. Well, the playmaker that Deneau is, maybe he'd rather have the assist.
Take that.
Here's a chance. High slot. Save is made off. Jurgensen's looking for his first goal of the season. 8:40 left opening period. Hedman pressured, got it around to his partner Radish, who lifts it out between the benches at center. Moving in the zone, checked on the play was Geekie. It comes in front, chipped over the net by Cirelli. Fogle still hounding the defender in to help out his Jeannot, but away with it is Radish.
I can tell you from experience, Nick, you're never tired when you have the puck.
Now in front it comes, and a deflection. Guentzel save made. Kopitar works it free around to Gavrikov. His touch pass in the middle, picked off. Look out. Could be a 2-on-1. Pass across. Hagel blocked. They never did get a good shot. Lightning holding it in with Perbix pinching. Cirelli up top. For Perbix, shoots, save, Kemper, and a whistle. Guentzel's pass into the middle broken up. Point is there to clean it up. Charges behind the net. Chased by Byfield, he hands it off. Kucherov, shot from the right side. Save made. Hedman, left wing, boards a shot wide. Yeah, Tampa's had a real solid road first period. But the Kings have tied it at 1. Now in front it comes, and a chip chance in front.
The dangerous man's in front. Always looking to make sure you're establishing inside position. You see the numbers are there by the Kings. It's just a matter of trying to wrap up a stick at the right time, and Hagel gets his stick free at the right time for the Lightning. And fortunate there, it looked like the puck was rolling and kind of fluttered towards.
Nicely picked up. Spence in the zone to Kempe. Kempe looking for a play for Kopitar. And to Moverara with a shot. Tip save is made. Turcotte got a stick on it.
He is. He's always been known for his footwork. And just the ability to watch the little stick right here. We talked about stick on stick. Well, this time the Kings get a stick free, and it's, if not for the left leg pad right there, it's that quick. And you see, Morvar, he doesn't have to look. He just has to sense where the lane is and get it through and get it on a stick.
Tampa Bay had 9 of the 10 final shots in that first period. The one shot the Kings had came after Anderson's goal at 7:58. For Spence, and ahead where it's steered in deep by Kempe. Kopitar on it. For Turcotte behind the net, he's knocked down. Kempe swings it out to Spence. Gets it back, turns, a shot, gloved and held. Into the zone looking for a play. Spence throws it around the wall, but it's picked off. Look out. Could be a 2-on-1. Chaffee with Eyssimont. Chaffee shoots. Save is made.
And the Kings in a situation where you could get a shot on goal and decided not to.
Now Paul, a drive set up by
Young team. Well, we've watched this game so far, 20 minutes for the Kings to get it going. After 2 periods, Money Puck had the Lightning with 3 times the expected goals as the Kings, so we've kind of had that feeling.
Maybe by the end of January, the end of this month, we'll see Doughty available. Byfield's pass too soft, turned over, point in to the net, shoots, glove save. Puck still alive. Gensel. Lilleberg is there, and he gets it up the wall and out. And here comes Tampa, chance in front. And Eyssimont charging it off the left wing.
Eyssimont just leaves the zone. He just flies the zone. Look at this pass. And that's where Brandt Clarke has to be a little bit more aware. That's what the Lightning been doing all game long. And Eyssimont tried to go the long way, all the way around the goaltender. You see right there with Darcy. He finally gets a glove on it right away. That's an odd save right there. Down in his crease. Glove all the way, basically.
Puck bounces. Kempe pressured. Couldn't clear. Held in Hedman. For point. Fans on a pass as he's being checked. Lightning with it. Get it up top. Hedman a shot blocker save. Kings at full strength.
He's in that area of, oh, I'm so nervous. I'm going to go offside. I've got to keep it in. And that's when Foegele decides to be even more aggressive.
The other way, Kucherov runs into traffic. And here come the Kings, Fiala. Fiala, one man back, stops up. Holds to the trailer. Laferriere shot it wide. Oh, a great look for Laferriere, but he couldn't hit the net. And the puck squirts free, point, plays it across, but here we go. Comes out of the zone, racing after it. Turcotte cuts into the middle, hands it off, shot, score! Adrian Kempe! Go-ahead goal with 5:48 left to play.
You know, whether it's anticipation, understand now it's a blown pass by the Lightning, but that's Turcotte. Watch him hold, and right there. Just when it looked like Turcotte was going to lose the puck, watch him reset, watch him find with a bunt pass right there. And Kempe comes with all kinds of momentum, but there's no wasted time.
Here's Gensel in on right wing to the trailer. Shot point, block. Now from distance, the shot save. Rebound save is made. Hedman had the first shot.
As far as technique, because first save, watch how quickly he spots the puck on the rebound. Right here. Okay, watch this. Bang. He gets his blocker out first. Couldn't get the glove there. He just wanted to make sure there wasn't a third chance. 1, 2, and then smother. Look at that.
Verhegel to point, shoots, missed the net. Under a minute to play. Kings don't clear. Hedman. Verhegel to Hedman, a blast, save, rebound, cleared.
Hedman right through the middle. First through, but no, look at that collapse there.
And to Kucherov, fans on a pass. Now it's a battle, Kucherov with it. Turned it over, Kings get a clear. Penalty coming up on the play. Moore hits the post. Kings still have it. Misfire. And there's the buzzer. 9 straight wins